What's going on, guys? My name is Joshua Dangle George, and in this video I'm going to continue my journey with Facebook ads promoting Clickbank offers. In this video I'm going to show you what happened to my previous offer and what my plans are and next steps are for this journey. What's going on, guys, and welcome to a new video. So for those of you that are new to the channel, a quick backstory to what we've been doing up until now. I set up a campaign for Baby Sleep Miracle, which is a Clickbank offer. We set this up in HTML, sort of using Amazon S3, so we could track this with volume. So this was my landing page, or my bridge page if you will, and then if they click on the watch now button, they get redirected to the video sales letter, which is basically the sales page of the vendor, so the owner of Baby Sleep Miracle. So this is what it looked like. It was a video sales letter, and then they basically get a video of the product, and then if you want to purchase, they click on add to cart. Okay, so that is what we've been doing up until now. Let me just get the offer up on Clickbank. Baby Sleep Miracle promote. As you can see, this is it. So the average sale was $20. It also has rebilling. As you can see, 6 upsells and 75% commission on all sales. In terms of the affiliate tools, we use a lot of the affiliate tools that are available actually. There's a lot of good stuff that we can use to help us promote it in terms of demographics, Facebook tools, email marketing, and so on and so forth. So we ran this on Facebook for a couple of days, and we managed to get, let me just quickly see how many clicks we got. So how many clicks we got on the ad. I switched this off this morning prior to recording this video. As you can see, 60 a day. The reason why we've done 60 a day is because of the 3-day rule. So we ran 3 times the payout for 3 consecutive days. So let me just click on that, and let's see how many clicks we actually got. So as you see, we ran to 25 to 44, which was the recommended amount, or the recommended age range basically. So I can see the frequency was quite high, 1.37, which means that the whole audience that we targeted saw this ad at least 1.3 times. Let me just go to performance and clicks. So as you can see, the cost per link click was 36 cents, which is relatively high because we did run quite clickbaity advertisements, which I'll show you in a sec. The link click-through rate is 1.66%, which again is on the low side of the spectrum, and the cost per landing page view is 46 cents. In total, we sent over 468 clicks to our sales page from the ad, and then we got 190, which I saw in volume, 190 clicks from our sales page, so our bridge page, this one, through to the actual sales page, which is their video sales letter. In total, we got 0 sales with this, and that is why I switched it off after 3 days. And then what we're going to do now is basically decide on a new offer. I already have one in mind, which we won't set up today. We'll set it up in tomorrow's video. But yeah, like I said, we've switched this off because the 3-day rule showed us that it was better to kill this campaign rather than scale it, because we didn't get any conversions. So in terms of the advertisements that we ran, as you can see, we ran 4 different advertisements. Let's see what they look like. Well, I know what they look like. Show you guys what they look like. So as you can see, we added a yellow pattern interrupt border. The copy was newborn baby ? Use this secret method to get your baby to fall asleep instantly, and then click here to watch more. So this was image number 1. This was image number 2. Let me quickly get it up. We are back to slow internet again today, guys, unfortunately. I was told that because I have a lot of plugins on Google Chrome, that it's also slowing down my internet, which was great advice. I do need to clean this up because there's a lot of plugins. This was image number 2, and this was my basically the image with the highest click-through rate. So as you can see, rather than a yellow border, I've gone for a yellow circle, which also acts as a pattern interrupt. Same copy again, same call to action, click here to watch more. We got a few comments of people tagging each other in that one as well, which is always good, provided that the comments are positive. This one, again, green border this time rather than a yellow border. And then the last image was the following. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. And this, when we were in the testing phase, this was the best performing image. So this image and image number 3, where the baby and the yellow circle were the 2 best performing creatives. In terms of the actual metrics, let me get those up. So as you can see, in terms of the link click-through rate, the one with the highest click-through rate was that baby with the circle. The CPC was also the lowest for that one, 21 cents. Cost per landing page view was the lowest as well. We ran campaign budget optimization, which means that we let Facebook decide which image gets the most budget, based on what Facebook thinks will perform best. And that is why this image, so the image with the green border, didn't get any clicks at all in the last 7 days, because Facebook thought, or Facebook was convinced, that the other 3 images would perform better. So in terms of the clicks, as you can see, 616 clicks went to this image, which means that this image was basically decided to be the best by Facebook. Facebook said this image will perform best, and as you can see by the link click-through rate, they were not wrong. In terms of the click-through rate overall, it's 2.79, again on the low side. I just look at the link click-through rate, doesn't even look at the click-through rate at all, because I want people to click on the link. 1.87 on the low side of the spectrum, as I said. And one of the reasons for that and the high cost per click is, in my opinion, because the audience that I chose was too small. So in terms of the audience, if I go to ad sets again, click on edit just to show you guys the size of the audience. As you can see, 280,000 people, which is very, very small, because I'm literally targeting the entire US. In terms of my targeting, I ran like a demographic targeting of parents of newborn babies and parents with toddlers age 1 to 2, and I turned off detailed targeting expansion. I ran this to females between the ages of 25 and 44 in the United States. So what I'm going to do now for my next offer is find an offer that has a broader audience. Okay, so when I started my Clickbank journey, I ran a earn money online offer. I can literally get it up now for you guys. If you are interested in seeing how I set that up, just watch my previous videos. Wesley Millionaire, I think it was. Millionaire. No. Let me just sort by gravity. I'll get it up. So remove this. Click on the magnifying glass, sort by gravity. Where is it? I need to click on affiliate tools, I think, because that's what I did previously. If I can't find it now. Okay, so what we'll do is I have affiliate tools selected. That's strange. It must have gone down in the list. So it was Wesley Virgin. Why don't we just type in Virgin? Let's see what comes up. Yeah, I already assumed that I'd get stuff like this. What if we just sort out by gravity? No. That's strange. I hope that product wasn't like removed from Facebook or removed from Clickbank or anything. Let's start again. See if we can actually find it. Marketplace. So yeah, it was a shame because I got conversion with it and I was so happy. It was like beginner's luck. Like I set it up and it got mad conversions. So I thought, I'm going to hit. There we go. Overnight millionaire system. Wesley, $1 billion virgin. So yeah, I ran this campaign on Facebook to a bridge page that collected emails, and then in the emails I actually sent them to this offer, and Facebook disabled the business manager, which also got my personal profile in trouble. So I basically had to start again. So from there, so we went from like a black hat type of flow, earn money online offer, to a white hat flow, which is very much like very compliant with Facebook, which is the baby sleep. So now I'm going to continue with the white hat flow because I don't want to get anything banned. But rather than baby sleep, because I had a small audience, I want to find something else which has a larger audience. So I am going to decide either between Ted's Woodworking and brain training for dogs. Let me get that one up. Brain training for dogs. And I already mentioned, guys, I won't do it in this video. I just want to give you guys a quick update. Just be transparent with you guys. This was not a success. We got a lot of data. but we didn't get the conversions that we wanted. So what we're going to do now is decide upon a new product. Okay, so basically I wanted this to work, but with affiliate marketing you do need to remove emotion from the equation and just go by the data. The data said that it was not converting, and based on the frequency 1.37, I think the audience is too small and my offer wasn't good enough. Okay, so my copy and my creative weren't good enough for the offer to convert. Okay, so brain training for dogs is a good offer because obviously dog owners is a large audience, especially in the US. So there's a lot of audience for us to choose from. The only thing is it hasn't got a video sales letter, so no video, which means that we will need to run a Quizlander. And I am not the best at HTML, so if we are going to run a Quizlander, I will need to basically code a quiz in the lander, which is going to take a little bit of time on my part, but it has to be done. Luckily, I've got all of the content and information available in Dijs University, to basically help me get started with all of this. But that will take some time on my part. And then we've also got Ted's Woodworking, which has a video sales letter. So all we need to do is have basically a one-click bridge page. So what I'll do is I'll do some audience research on both, see which one will convert best, in my opinion, and then we'll run with that. Okay, so that is going to be tomorrow's video. I'll basically show you guys. I'll work on the bridge page tonight after I've decided on a product, and then actually, before we do that, let's actually decide upon a product now, and then tonight I'll create the bridge page, and then tomorrow we'll build the campaign and I'll show you guys how I'm going to do it. Okay, so in terms of the two products, Brain Training for Dogs has a gravity of 137, and then Ted's Woodworking has a much higher gravity, if I'm not mistaken, 137, and then let's see, Ted's Woodworking 158. Okay, so it's not an extreme big difference, but Ted's Woodworking does take it does come out on top. So 55 for the average sale. The initial sale is 55, and then the rebill is 82. Let's see what Brain Training is. 55, Brain Training Dogs 31, and then the average percentage of sale, there's no rebill. Okay, the reason why I'd prefer Brain Training, because 31 is a lower product to promote in terms of pricing, so it's easier to get like an impulse purchase from people rather than the $55. So obviously for us, the higher the sale, the more commission we get. But psychologically, it's easier to promote lower ticket products. So I'm going to say that Brain Training for Dogs basically gets the comes out on top there. In terms of the vendor spotlight, let's just quickly check what that's all about. Loading charts. Okay, so relative, it's upwards trends and stabilizing at the last few days. Let's just check out Ted's Woodworking, see what that's all about. Vendor spotlight. Let's see what that's all about. Stable. Okay, so both relatively stable, so let's just say that is a tie. Let's see what affiliate tools we have available. Let's see. Sales funnel explained, promote us, here's reasons why, affiliate links, landing pages. Okay, in terms of Brain Training for Dogs, something went wrong there at the top. Affiliates, join our affiliate program. Banners, free giveaway, email swipe, promotional videos, keyword ideas. Okay, so in terms of the affiliate tools, Brain Training comes on top. I think I'm going to go with Brain Training. So let's just decide on Brain Training now. If we can't get conversion on Brain Training for Dogs, we'll try Ted's Woodworking. So that will be the next offer that we're going to promote. So plan for now is to create a bridge page, and as I already mentioned, the Brain Training for Dogs landing page hasn't got a video sales letter, so I will create a Quizlander. So literally a simple quiz, 3-4 questions. about disobedient dogs, and then that will redirect to the actual sales page without a video sales letter, and then we'll see how that performs. I'll run this again on Facebook ads, and I will create a watch and build video tomorrow on this channel, which will obviously be, that'll be tomorrow for you guys. I'll publish it right away, so you can see all that in tomorrow's video. For now, I'm going to wrap up this video. Hope you got something out of it. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave the video a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below what you'd like to see from this channel next, or if you've got any tips and or feedback for me in terms of this campaign. Subscribe to the channel for more and click on the little bell icon so you get a notification every single time I upload. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Allow me to introduce the Dijs University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on Clickbank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dijs University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.